Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can turn off the Windows firewall on a Windows 11 device. Now this is something you don't want to do permanently, but there might be times where you want to test something, like if you want to do a ping and you want to ping your machine and make sure it's reachable. You might want to temporarily turn off the firewall in order for you to ping the device. So I'm going to show an example here. On this Windows 11 device, I'm going to open the command prompt and check the IP. It's going to be, I'll use the command IP config. So the IP is 192.168.1.112. I'm going to open another device on the same network. It's going to be a Mac device, and I'm going to try and see if I can ping this device. So they're on the same subnet. I'm going to do ping. I'm going to send 3 packets to 192.168.1.112 right here, and let's see if we can ping it. So as we can see, the pings are failing, saying that the device is not reachable. However, the reason why is because of the firewall. By default, the firewall is going to block any pings. Now if you want to just confirm that you can actually reach the device, you can temporarily turn off the firewall now. So we can open the settings, then here we can search for firewall. So we open the Windows Defender Firewall, and by default it should be turned on. This is what you want. So you can go to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Okay, you can go ahead and turn it off temporarily. Click OK, and now it's off, which is not recommended, but this is just for testing. Now I can go back to my terminal here on the Mac device and then repeat the ping command, and let's see what happens this time. Okay, and this time you see I can ping the device. I sent 3 packets, I received 3 packets, 0 packets lost, which is different than this one here where we lost all the packets. So that's it. That's how you can temporarily turn off the firewall. And once you're done with your testing, whatever you wanted to do, it's recommended to go back into your Windows Defender again. Let's go firewall, and then turn this firewall back on, and now it's back on. So that's all for this video. That's how you can temporarily turn off your firewall on a Windows 11 device. So I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.